Here's a Nissan Altima. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now there are door sensors on each of the 4 doors. It's the exact same process for the left and right door, and it's also very similar for the front and rear. I'm going to show you on one door on front and rear each. Only tool you need is a 7mm socket ratchet combination. So let's get the socket ratchet on that one bolt right over there on the door sensor and start loosening it. It should come off pretty easy. Get the bolt out and keep it somewhere safe. You do not want to lose this. Once it's out, just grab the sensor and try twisting it left and right. That'll loosen it, and then pull it out. To get the electrical connector off, all you have to do is press right over there in the center with your thumb, and while it's being pressed, pull the connector off of the sensor, and yeah, it comes right out. That is the sensor. Get the new one, put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on in one way. Push it to click it in place. Now let's put the sensor back in the car, align it over there, put the bolt back on. The reason you have to have the bolt is because without the bolt, the electrical connection, the circuit does not get completed, and so then the sensor doesn't work properly. So you have to have the bolt for the sensor to work properly. Tighten that up and you're done. Moving on to the rear door. Same process, same everything, just loosen this, get the bolt out. Now let's get the sensor out of the body. Same thing, there's enough wire length for you to get it out completely. Press down on the electrical connector and pull it out. Same door sensor, same part number as the front one, no differences whatsoever. Get the new replacement sensor, put it back on in position and connect the electrical connector. Put the sensor back in the body, get the bolt back on, hand tighten it down first, and then let's tighten it down with the socket ratchet combination. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found the video useful.